today is an important and significant moment in Hellenic history as well as in world history, and we're very proud to have been able to celebrate it here. It signifies a day when the Greek nation said no to the Italian forces requesting to pass through Greece during the Second World War. It was celebrated through all the children being part of the celebrations today, and they everything from traditional Greek dances from various parts of the Greek mainland and various islands, as well as amazing dramatizations which were put up by the children.
We celebrate today because the Greeks were the first country to ever say no to the Triple Alliance, which was Hitler, Mussolini, and Austria. They were so feared by everyone, and no one thought they could ever beat them. And Greece was the first to say no. And Italy then decided to attack Greece from Albania, and Greece actually pushed them back into Albania. A nice quote from a politician, Winston Churchill, he said, "Greeks don't fight like heroes, heroes fight like Greeks." And I thought that was really amazing.
It's also very beautiful how SAHETI School commemorates this day. I mean, there's a beautiful storytelling with the classical Greek dancing and the Greek dancing performances, as well as the music by the students, the bouzoukia, and the songs that they sing is a nice way for the SAHETI students to learn more about Ochi Day, the 28th of October, beyond the classroom, just to learn about how the Greeks, they resisted and, you know, they fought bravely and strongly.
Σήμερα όλοι οι Έλληνες είμαστε περήφανοι, γιορτάζουμε το μεγάλο όχι, το όχι που είπαμε απέναντι στον Ιταλικό φασισμό και τον Γερμανικό νατσισμό. Οι Έλληνες, μια μικρή χώρα, αγωνίστηκαν με όλους τις δυνάμεις για την ελευθερία, αλλά και για τις πανανθρώπινες αξίες και την αξιοπρέπεια. Έδειξαν με αυτό τον αγώνα τους, αποτέλεσε αυτός ο αγώνας τους μεγάλο παράδειγμα, όχι μόνο για τις επόμενες ελληνικές γενιές, αλλά και για τις γενιές όλων των λαών.